My name is Nixaly and I love family road trips. So let me take you on a journey on how I edit my favorite trips with LumaFusion. Decided to get on this drop thing that took us all the way up and dropped us. My dad got on with us to make sure my little brother was safe, but he was screaming as well. It felt really weird. I speeded it up because it was a long process and we also got on multiple times. LumaFusion is a multi-purpose editing app. It's on all devices like iPhone and iPad. Unlike the competition, LumaFusion is one of the best editing softwares you can find. So many famous editors use this. You can create TikToks, Instagram posts, YouTube videos, you name it. LumaFusion helped me so much to improve my editing skills, so please go download LumaFusion right now and start your editing journey today. And for my Spanish speakers, ve y baja LumaFusion en tu celular ahorita para empezar a disfrutar.